200 billion Kina economy that I envisaged when I made my Richest Black Christian Nation speech on 30th of May 2019 can be easily reached much earlier if Papua New Guineans are participating in the economy.
Welcome back to PNG Trends Burner. Did you know that a staggering 90% of businesses in PNG are SMEs and MSMEs? These small and medium-sized enterprises are the lifeblood of our economy, driving businesses and creating jobs. Even though most are hardworking small business owners, they still struggle to find the right SME loan that is perfect for their small businesses. That's where this video comes in. We'll be taking a closer look into SME and MSME loans, focusing on options available to SME owners from the 4 large financial institutions in PNG, the National Development Bank, NDB, NASFund Contributors Savings and Loan Society, NCSL, Bank South Pacific, BSP, and Kina Bank. So, stay focused. After watching this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to get the funding your small business needs. The lifeblood of Papua New Guinea's economic growth isn't a single industry, but rather a vibrant network of small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. These local powerhouses drive small entrepreneurship, create local jobs, and fuel economic activity from bustling settlements and villages to the national level. Recognizing this crucial role, the government, donor agencies and financial institutions actively support these businesses. Initiatives like the MSME Credit Facility and various SME loan schemes offer a vital boost. Through established institutions like Kina Bank, NCSL, BSP Financial Group, and the National Development Bank, NDB, these programs empower PNG's SMEs and MSMEs to thrive and contribute even more to the nation's success. So, what do you need before applying for an SME or MSME loan in PNG? Before approaching a bank for a small business loan, it's crucial to ensure your business is properly registered. This means having both an IPA registration and a tax identification number, TIN, from the Internal Revenue Commission, IRC. Additionally, a basic understanding of financial concepts will significantly strengthen your loan application. Remember, many banks and financial institutions offer dedicated help desks specifically designed to assist SMEs with launching their loan applications. Now, let's uncover the loan options offered by the 4 prominent lenders in PNG. 1. Kina Bank SME Loan. Designed specifically for PNG-owned businesses, this loan offers a competitive 4% variable interest rate. Loan amounts range from 50,000 Kina to 500,000 Kina, with unsecured options having a maximum 7-year term. Secured loans have terms based on the financed asset. At 4% unsecured loan, Kina Bank offers a great loan option, but you can further reduce it by offering collateral. Check with Kina Bank for more information. Kina Bank Management explains how their SME loan works.
Kina Bank SME loan include a variable 4% interest rate, one of the lowest business rates on the market today, available only to 100% wholly owned Papua New Guinean businesses. We've also removed a number of fees, including the upfront application fee. Other bank fees we've removed include documentation fees, check processing fees, inspection fees, drawdown fees and settlement fees. As you can see, we're being fairly ruthless about taking banking back to basics. I do want to stress this is a Kina Bank-led initiative, so we're not receiving any government-sponsored funding for this program. We're doing it on our own. An initial tranche of 50 million Kina. If that is successful, we'll obviously top that tranche up over time.
This is open exclusively for wholly owned Papua New Guinean companies. Maximum turnover, we've aligned to the government's definition of an SME at 5 million Kina per annum. Minimum trading years, 2 years minimum trading. Secured loan facility, the minimum is 50,000 and maximum limit at 100. That essentially is going to be unsecured, and the term aligned to that is 7 years. For the secured concessional loan, the minimum is at 100,000 and maximum at 500,000. So the term will generally align to the asset.
2. NCSL SME Loan. This program features a risk-sharing mechanism with Bank of PNG. The loan amount is capped at 300,000 Kina, with a 48-month repayment term and a fixed 15% per annum interest rate. However, a 20% equity contribution is mandatory. Fixed 15% means the interest rate stays the same for the entire loan term. It's unlike variable rates that can fluctuate. Think of it as a fixed cost you pay each year on the borrowed amount. So, with a 15% rate and 10,000 Kina loan, you'd pay an extra 1,500 Kina annually in interest.
The member will need to provide bank statements if they are an existing business, or if it's a new business, then obviously we would ask the member to provide us a business proposal, which will also need to include cash flow projections so that we can assess the viability before we extend the loan to the member.
3. BSP SME Credit Enhancement Scheme Loan. This recently revamped program boasts a fixed low interest rate of 5% for a repayment period of up to 15 years. The maximum loan amount has increased to 5 million Kina, with a minimum 10% equity requirement. Borrowers must still meet BSP's standard credit requirements.
With the SME product, we do have space for startups, not directly having access to a loan. For them through the loan onboarding process, we provide them the purchase account products, and we get them to build their financial capacity. The highest they can go is 3 million, but again, it depends on their capacity to repay the loan. Interest rate is a 5% fixed interest rate, and the term of the loan is up to 180 months. Because the term of the loan, we get the asset, the type of asset. As much as possible, we align the term of the loan to the productive life of the asset. Term of security would be properties, also take assets like motor vehicle, machineries.
4. NDB MSME Credit Facility. This program offers incredibly low 4% interest rate loans with flexible repayment terms. They cater to various sectors through credit lines like youth and SME startup loans and women in business. Loan amounts range from 5,000 Kina to 500,000 Kina, with a minimum 20% equity requirement and a maximum loan term of 20 years.
NDB MLP Mol Mama, women in business, na me been come inside, me ligu me good plot through. I think me first la Mary lo come benefit lo Islam.
Lawyer lo inquire all monkey to come la 4%. Mi mama straight na mi put him application domin na wala problem dis la loan. People who don't have it like the school leavers, some are single mama, some of our people I think in the settlements, in the villages, who think of doing business but they don't have any money. They can come to the bank, they do their proposals, and they must find some equity. Government will give them a guarantee from the bank.
Check out the link in the description of this video to get more details on. Here is what the PNG Prime Minister said about using SMEs and Papua New Guineans doing business to take back PNG.
Take back PNG, it's all about Papua New Guineans in the space of doing business. And I made my Richest Black Christian Nation speech on 30th of May 2019. Can be easily reached much earlier if Papua New Guineans are participating in the economy.
As you can see, each bank offers distinct loan features. Consider your business needs, financial standing, and long-term goals when making your choice. The information here provides a good foundation, but some details require verification with the respective banks for the most accurate and updated terms and conditions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to PNG Trends Burner. And hit that notification bell to join PNG YouTube community today.